Okay, now I'll show you how to create a variable product. Variable product in the sense a combination of color and size. I will have two colors and two sizes at the different prices of color and size variations. So previously, what we saw a simple product, that is one single product, one single price. Okay, so here now the variation, so the combination of the product color and likewise. So same as previous, we have to go for add new product. Okay. 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 Now here I'm giving the product name, means t-shirt. Okay, and you can give the description, that is the general description of men's t-shirts. So same like previous, I'm just copying and pasting for practice purpose. Okay, now here previously we just have gone as it is, that is simple product. Now I have to choose variable product. Okay, you can give any SKU name, that is like that here, means t-shirt. Okay, the product short description. Okay, so now I have to go to the attributes. Okay, so if I'm opening the attribute, then there is add description, pieces of information that customers can use to search for this product on your store. Okay, so I'm giving I'll create variations of color and sizes. Okay, so one variation name is color. So I have two colors, one is black and one is red. Okay, now I can add a new variation, that is size. So I have let small or let medium and large. Okay, so now I'm saving the attributes. So now I have two attributes, one is color, one is size, and what color is containing black and red, and size is containing medium and large. That means the black will have two sizes, medium and large, and red will have two sizes, medium and large. Right? So I created the attributes. Now what I have to do, I have to go to the variations. Okay. Here you can see there is a generate variations. So we just click here. Okay. Okay. Now I can see that black, medium, black, large, red, medium, red, large. Okay. So no need to change. So I'll go with this combination. So just click here at the side of this. So it will give you different variations one by one. Their SKUs, their prices and all. So I'm giving black medium, black M, and the prices I'm setting 600 and the discounted price is 500. Okay. And you can add individual images. So I'm adding black. Okay. Now coming to black large. So previously what I did is black medium. Now I'm going for black large. I'm giving SKU name is black large, and the variation price here I'm giving 700 and discounted price is 600. Okay, and image black. Now going for the same red medium, price is like 800, 700, discounted price, and the color is red, and my last variation was red large. Okay, and the price is like 800. Okay, so it's like 900 and 800, and adding the image red. Okay, so I have made all the combinations, their color, their prices. Okay, now I am saving it. Right, so you can give the short descriptions also. You can give the short description. So let this is red, sorry, black medium. This was black. So this description actually will display while you are setting the actual product. Black large. This is red medium, and this is red large. Okay, now save the changes. Okay, now simply you publish the product. Okay. So product is published. Now can I know? So product is published. Okay. Now you see the view product. See here. Now the options are coming. You see the color and size. So you have two colors, black and red, and size you have medium and large. So if I choose black, and here if I choose medium, so it will give you that price what I did set there. Okay. So it's giving the price, discounted price 500, and there might be 600. Now I can check various combination black and large. See the price is getting changed. Okay, same way is the red, and Rate large was 800, rate medium was 700. So now the things are getting displayed in this way. So a this is an example of variable product. Okay, thank you.